Okay, so I have this pumpkin here, and feeding it to them for the first time. And that's why I'm growing the pumpkins. See how they would eat it to supplement the greens, supplement their regular chicken food and whatnot. And they're going to town on it. Sorry I missed the beginning. I took a picture instead of actual video. I'm a genius, I guess, that way. But they are tearing up. They don't even know what it is. They just went straight for the seeds and everything. And it appears they like it, I guess. Get some, George. Mr. Lucky Do, is that George right there? That's George right there, huh? I think that might be George. Right there. Yeah, there she goes. You know what they're saying right now? I know. See, I'm gonna translate. They're saying it's good shot. C'est si bon. That's exactly what they're saying. They're just saying it in chicken. So it looks like they're gonna go to town on this for a little while. Until they get down to the rind. And I'm gonna give it all to them today. So, yeah, there's the chickens eating pumpkin. It's amazing what they eat. Well, I guess what they don't eat, really. All right, let's get another piece. All right, here's another piece here. Another big piece with the seeds and whatnot. Let's give it to them. Watch out, my girls. Watch out. Watch out. There you go. It's like they're eating the seeds, the soft flesh first. Let's get back underneath. There you go. All right, Internet, what y'all think? If y'all have fed your girls pumpkin, let me know. What other things have you fed them that is perhaps non-traditional? You could email me, or you can leave commentary down below. That way, other people will be able to know as well. We can share the information to anyone thinking about getting a couple of girls, and yeah, make things easier for everybody. So, okie dokes. Thanks very much for watching. This is Grow Me Something, Mister. And remember to, I don't know. I don't have an exit line yet, so see you later, everybody.